Hey, we're wrecking! Stop! 116! We're wrecking! Stop!
Hello? Nature possesses immense power, and snow is a constant reminder of the need to prepare and respond. Every snowfall brings lessons in patience, resilience, and awareness. Learn from these moments and adapt to nature's challenges. Blizzard turned parts of northern and western Iowa into pure white. There's so much snow that you may need a map to find your way.
Brave the elements so I can show you all how insane this is right now. Look at the side of the house. Look at my front door.
The snowstorm blanketed parts of northern and western Iowa. Drivers should be extremely careful when traveling on the road.
Fuck around and find out. Stay safe, America. Holy shit.
A dramatic moment occurred when the snow-covered parking lot roof collapsed under the weight of the snow. Luckily, everyone is safe.
People keep getting stuck on this poor hill. I've seen like 5 people on his bicycle again. What is going on?
As winter approaches, Minneapolis drivers are slipping through the streets. It's time to slow down and drive more carefully.
Alright.
Look how this idiot is driving. Look at this.
I really don't understand his actions.
Check this snow, 4 miles south of Alkmaar. This is a house. It's got to have 11 feet of snow on it.
It's unbelievable. Everything seemed to disappear in the white snow. This is a testament to its harshness and power to bury everything in its path.
For his family. Like a frontiersman.
Give him a thumbs up.
Jump will catch you! Jump will catch you!
Moment of unbelievable luck in Indiana, seemingly a gift from God. Truly a reason to thank him. A winter storm blanketed Ukraine in snow, with hundreds of vehicles rescued overnight. It seems Mother Nature decided to test the region's endurance. Imagine you open the door and see a pile of snow blocking the door. What would your next step be? A mysterious blue swirl appeared in the night sky over Europe, possibly caused by the frozen exhaust of a rocket spinning in the atmosphere and reflecting light, creating a spiraling effect. The waterfall in Minneapolis seems to be in hibernation, completely covered in snow and ice, nature's frozen work of art.
Holy...
Your support means the world to us. Drop a super thanks if you enjoyed these incredible moments. Slippery road conditions in Alberta have made driving difficult. Please pay attention when moving. With snow blanketing the streets, New York becomes a winter parking lot as collisions and stranded vehicles become the norm. Visibility on the highway was near zero due to the constant snowfall, making traveling on Adair County roads extremely difficult.
Oh my god.
This isn't gorillas in the mist, it's cows in the snow. They're pretty happy, they're still out here chewing their bales, these ones.
Firefighters rescued 3 sheep stuck in the snow in Brescia, Italy, showing true courage. Please share to spread this inspirational action.
We live in Buffalo, New York. Of course we drink iced coffee during the middle of a snowstorm. We live in Buffalo, New York. No, I'm not gonna dust off my truck before I go drive in a travel van.
And here it is why Buffalo residents have different bodies.
I've got my love for Josh Allen to keep me warm. We live in Buffalo, New York. Of course we're gonna host a playoff game and then have to reschedule it because it's snowing too hard. Peace, y'all.
In California, snow and ice turned the tractor into a reluctant ice skater.
Hey, we're wrecking, stop, 116, we're wrecking, stop!
A lucky moment at Interstate 29 in Missouri when 2 vehicles avoided a collision. This is also a lesson for drivers.
Oh my. Oh!
Okay, by crazy turn of events, because of the avalanche, I just dug him out. He's sitting right there catching his breath, but from the looks of it, we're okay.
Father and son's fun sledding trip takes an unexpected turn. Surely this will be an unforgettable lesson for him. And this is a humane picture of the rescue of a trapped man after an avalanche in Tahoe.
Високогір'я, от пам'ятайте, гори не пробачають помилок, і самовпевненість може коштувати життя.
In Northern California, a truck lost control as heavy snow covered the roads, highlighting the importance of having proper tires and driving carefully in snowy conditions.
Şu an altındayım.
A worker in Betusebap was lucky to escape an avalanche while trying to clear snow from the road. This incident is a stark reminder of the unpredictable risks of snow removal work.
Nefes alıyorum çok şükür. Makine çalışıyor. Oynamam, fırlamıyorum kendimi.
Don't try to travel during a snowstorm unless absolutely necessary. Florida residents are struggling with piles of snow after a rare storm, an unusual challenge for a region known for its warm weather.
How far can you get before you fall?
What is your favorite activity when it snows? Don't hesitate to share. Despite the snowfall, festival participants still gathered in downtown Chicago to witness the dyeing ceremony of the Chicago River, showing their dedication to the event.
It's on the western side of the storm. Muddy and messy, like it just got a little spin to it, but it's not like it's not like I definitely gotta get that out of your system while you can and get some time out of the vehicle. There ain't no doubt about that. Oh, freaking hotels are not cheap in Texarkana tonight.
Well, what we've had to shovel just to get have an entrance to the front door. Can't even see the front door right now because of this mound. It's not just living in Narnia, this is more like living in Hoth.
Oh gosh, in 20 years I've never seen that.
Absolutely crazy.
Plow trucks are hard at work in Hoya de la Mora after an avalanche on March 11th near the ski slopes. A snowboarder was lucky to avoid an avalanche on Mount Washington. Nature is unpredictable. Please pay attention to safety when participating in outdoor activities. Snowstorm turned central Iowa into a sea of white. It's probably safer if you stay indoors. Strong winds swept across Iowa, bringing a snowstorm that will continue to impact parts of the state. It's safe to say winter weather isn't a barrier for a resident of Truckee, California. A California road reopened on March 24th after being closed due to severe weather conditions. The ice statue still stands despite heavy snowfall covering Cleveland, demonstrating its resilience in the face of harsh winter conditions. The roof of the fire station in Barneveld, New York, could not withstand the weight of the snow and collapsed. It seemed like the snow really wanted to mark its presence. Oh gosh, it was as if nature had pressed a white filter button on the entire area.
Oh, that was good.
Wow.
That's fine.
Whoa!
Wow, what a creative way to clear snow.
Wow, good job, guys.
After escaping the Green Bay Zoo, they're probably planning their next adventure. Maybe we should stay home when the weather conditions are bad. Bears really are great entertainers, lovable and funny. Oh no, nature is really harsh. The snowplow is fighting the snow like a warrior, determined to rescue every stuck vehicle. While rescue teams were working, a bison decided to make a surprise appearance. It must have wanted to join the snow removal team. After winter break, snow geese fly back to the North Pole. It must be time for them to enjoy their summer vacation. Southwest Airlines plane in New York just got a new winter look, thanks to snow and ice on the wings. Minnesotans poured boiling water into the air to illustrate the extreme cold. Like a snow-loving kangaroo, the dog couldn't contain his excitement. Oh, look, fountain turns into ice volcano as temperatures plummet in New York.
Well, have you guys ever been stuck in an avalanche? Well, this is my first time.
Be careful when participating in outdoor activities.
We are currently in an avalanche.
Wow. So this is Highway 1, 70 vehicles going further beyond the eye can see here. Oh yeah, lots of substantial damage here.
Multiple vehicles collided on a highway in Alberta, Canada, during the winter storm on February 29th, creating a shocking moment. As a sign of brighter days to come, the snow quickly melted under the strong sunlight. His optimism is worth learning from. The truck almost became one with the snow. It's like a snowstorm decided to change into winter clothes.
Fuck yeah!
Oswego is buried under lake effect snow, with snow piles so deep you'll need a map to find your way through. If it is not an emergency, please stay home. Snowflakes near the Salt Lake City airport are so big, They look like they're auditioning for the starring role of a snowstorm. Large chunks of ice drift along the shores of Lake Michigan as warm weather arrives. It seems like the last ice caps have melted under the pressure of spring. Heavy snowfall in Nebraska makes homes look like scenes from a winter movie, just missing the festive lights and cozy fires inside. Oh, that's great. The first snow of the season in Seoul awakens everyone's inner child. Please leave number 1 in the comments if you also find this guy very mischievous. Oh no, it's as if nature opened Photoshop and pulled the snowfall effect bar to maximum. Buffalo residents didn't need coffee to stay awake. The snowstorm did the job, with thick layers of snow piled up right outside their doorsteps.
Getting a taste of Buffalo, New York. And we always ask Kevin, why don't you move back to Buffalo?
Road conditions in Michigan have become unpredictable. This is the time we need to increase vigilance, slow down, and drive carefully. A huge thank you to our snow removal crews for their continued efforts to keep our roads safe. This action requires precision, skill, and proper training to ensure safety. Don't try if you're not an expert. Oh, this guy is really cute.
Alright, so this is what?
Nature seems to have unleashed her power on Nova Scotia, with 59 inches of snow from a historic winter storm.
The boy and I have dug out since I first came out here.
Wow, it's breathtaking. Luckily, he is still safe. Remember that safety always comes first. Don't follow suit.
That wasn't his best one.
Should police have fun on the job or focus on keeping the streets safe? Utah's Cottonwood Canyon was blanketed by a massive snowstorm. Nature has literally turned on winter mode at full strength for this region.
We can get a unit on 9th and Guthrie, and another one on Rogers and 9th.
After historic winter storms, California transportation officials will survey for avalanches, ensuring roads are safe for drivers.
Virgin 70.
Big Bear traffic, Mooney 9380 Mike, left downwind, departure Big Bear.
I'll be back.
Careful.
When a snowstorm trapped people in their homes, this was his only way to get out. Bright blue auroras dance across the Alaskan sky, as if nature is performing a wonderful light show over the snow-white forests.
Oh no.
Hail the size of golf balls hits Texas in a wild thunderstorm. It looks like Mother Nature decided to play golf with the city. Forget the Olympics. The polar bear at the Oregon Zoo will be the undisputed diving champion. When the storm comes Texas, lightning illuminates the sky. It looks like Mother Nature is trying to put on a light show. The fire broke out in Boston on March 25th, after a fire spread rapidly. This is a stark reminder of the power and need to be alert to nature's surprises. Perhaps the parrot just wanted their company.
Oh, look at this. Oh.
Crowds flocked to see Kilauea volcano's latest eruption, admiring the unpredictable power of nature on display. Love the content? Consider leaving a super thanks and help us create more videos for you. Wow, nature is beautiful, isn't it? Vehicles were stuck in a vast sea of snow when a snowstorm flooded New York, creating an unexpected winter adventure. The giant rock blocking a road in Washington has finally been removed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Turn on notifications so we can stay connected and you won't miss any future content. See you soon.